Hi guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone was having a good time and was safe last night. The idiots were out. Okay, I just have a few things to go over, and right now I'm having a mental block as to what they are. Just like me. Okay, I did the catalog thing. I started flipping through this one, which is Mally's. Let me see. I think it's M-A... Oh, no, I wasn't even close. It's Massey's. M-A-S-S-E-Y-S. Let me make sure I'm not doing something. Yeah. And, okay. I have mentioned before that I am a total lavender freak. Well, they have something here that... Let's see if I can show you guys if it'll focus. It's right here. I'm not sure if it's going to focus. But, yeah, they also have down below, they even have like a Japanese cherry blossom, which is, I love cherries too. And here's like a gift set. I don't take baths. I shower. I've just always showered instead of taking baths. But this has like a shower. It's got a shower gel, but then it also has a bubble bath and a body lotion and a bath fizzer. So I'm looking at all these things, and they also have vanilla stuff. This one here, yeah, I'm thinking about it. More than likely I would or will order some things and just see what the quality is, tell you guys what it is. Who knows? The other thing is I want to hide I should be hiding my hands because I started taking them off yesterday, and oh my goodness, I've done it before a long time ago, but man, it hurts. I mean, yeah, I've got just two missing right now, but they're all coming off. I also checked on all my nail polish, got rid of a bunch, and I still have a really lot. Someone. Okay. I did get a message, a strange one, and I'm wondering if anybody that has a YouTube channel, it was from, let me see if I can find it for you guys real quick. Excuse me, still with the runny nose. Let me go to me and okay, view my channel, and what on earth? Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. It's the last video that I did, and hi guys. Oops. Let me go to the comments, and it says, I think it's down here, it says, "Hi dear, I hope you are well. I am a professional digital marketer. I saw that your YouTube videos are very lovely. You have enough of the videos, but your video is not getting views because there is some problem with your videos. Your SEO score is very poor, and you need optimization for better results. If you update the videos, then the views of the video will increase. If you want to discuss it, thanks." I certainly didn't ask anybody like that for help. Has this happened to anybody? I don't know. It was just one of those weird random things that came in, almost at midnight last night. And, well, we were dealing with, it's been so long since we've been around fireworks. My poor Ceci, my doggy, she was behind the toilet again. And pretty much didn't come out until about, I came into the beauty room, which, that's the other thing. I think by the time, I'm hoping by the time I film the next video, I will be in there. It's almost done, except for like pictures, that kind of thing. All my palettes, everything. So I will give a short, like, little video about that when it is completely finished. And I was watching one of the YouTubes recommended for you, and I swear, I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Just one second. I'm so sorry. This person has Throwback Thursday. I had never seen her before. She's a smaller channel, not as small as I am, but so I don't want to be a copycat. I don't know how on earth. It's not something I had ever heard of before last night, other than Kathy and I, and we did it a long time ago. Anyway, so I think for now, I just wanted to pop in. It's Monday. Get me used to it. And all the products that I used today are going to be listed down below. This is my first day doing it again. I did a very simple look today. But I can say you can still expect me to be me. I don't do simple looks like this very often, but I like it. It's okay. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and this new year is going to be great for everybody. So, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have fun, and stay safe. Check your surroundings, guys. You know. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.